Hello everyone! Welcome back to our YouTube channel, English with Altaf. In today's video, we are going to learn and practice some very useful everyday English conversations. These are the sentences and expressions we use in our daily lives. If you're someone who wants to speak English naturally and fluently, this video is perfect for you. We'll practice simple dialogues and show you how to speak confidently in everyday situations.
Hi everyone, I'm Altaf. Today you'll learn how to speak English when you meet someone, talk about your day, visit a shop, make a phone call, or order food. These conversations will help you improve your speaking skills step by step. Let's begin our daily English conversation practice.
Let's start with greetings. Hello, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm great. It's a beautiful day.
Yes, the weather is perfect. Are you going anywhere today?
Yes, I'm going to the market to buy some groceries. What about you?
I have some work at the office, but I'll come home early today.
That sounds good. I hope your day goes well.
Thank you. You too.
Now let's move on to daily routine talk. What time do you usually wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 in the morning. Then I brush my teeth and take a shower. After that, I have my breakfast and get ready for work. How about you?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m. I do some stretching and make breakfast for my family. Then I clean the house and prepare for my online classes.
That's a good routine. Do you drink tea or coffee in the morning?
I like tea. It refreshes me. What do you prefer?
I prefer coffee. It helps me stay active throughout the day.
Let's do a conversation at a shop. Hello, can you help me? I'm looking for a black handbag.
Sure, we have many black handbags. What size are you looking for?
I want a medium-sized one. Something that looks simple and elegant.
Here is one. It's a bestseller and made of good quality material.
It looks nice. How much is it?
It's 2,500 rupees.
Okay, I'll take it. Can you pack it for me, please?
Of course. Here you go. Thank you for shopping with us.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Now let's practice a phone call. Hello, is this Altaf?
Yes, speaking. Who's this?
Hi, this is Ikra. I just wanted to confirm our meeting for tomorrow.
Yes, we are meeting at 3 p.m. at the coffee shop.
Great. I'll be there on time.
Perfect. See you then.
See you. Bye.
Bye.
Let's talk about food now. Imagine we are at a restaurant. Hello, I would like to see the menu, please.
Here is the menu. What would you like to order?
I'll have a chicken burger and a glass of orange juice.
Would you like anything else?
No, that's enough for now. Thank you.
Your order will be ready in 15 minutes.
Okay, I'll wait. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's try another real-life example. At the doctor's clinic. Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. Please have a seat. What's the problem?
I have a headache and sore throat since last night.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, a mild fever.
I'll give you some medicine. Take rest and drink plenty of water.
Thank you, doctor.
Take care and get well soon.
Now imagine we are meeting a new person. Hi, I'm Ikra. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Altaf. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Karachi. And you?
I'm from Lahore. What do you do?
I'm an English teacher and a content creator.
That's interesting. I'm a student and part-time tutor. Let's end with a short talk about the weather. It's very hot today, isn't it?
Yes, it's really hot. I think the temperature is above 40 degrees.
I hope it rains soon.
Yes, rain will bring some relief.
So, today we learned how to use English in everyday situations. We practiced greetings, daily routine, shopping, phone calls, visiting restaurants, talking to a doctor, meeting someone new, and even discussing the weather.
That's right. These examples will help you become more confident and fluent in speaking English. Use these sentences in your real life and you will see improvement very soon. Keep practicing every day and watch this video again if needed.
If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, English with Altaf.
Thank you for watching. Keep learning and keep practicing. See you in the next video.
Take care. Bye for now.